Imagine growing up in the peaceful countryside, in a safe home with your whole family around you. This is the life of the pig, side by side in their pod with all their siblings, safe, secure, and happy. But one day, everything changes. They are picked, removed from their pod and separated. They feel exposed, insecure, and lost. Some are put in flimsy bags that won't last long. Others are subjected to extreme cold that comes at a high energy cost. But there are some lucky ones. These more fortunate peas make it into steel cans within hours of being picked. In their new home, they can hang out with their peers, secure from the shocks, light, and extreme temperatures of the outside world. In the safety of the can, they can stay together for years, knowing all their nutrients will not be lost. Steel cans protect peas all the way to the plate. So all we are saying is, give peas a chance.